everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do my Boxycharm unboxing, and since I skipped last month, I was really looking forward to do this one. I have my Luxe box and my Premium box. My Luxe box had a little bit of a hard time getting to me, but besides that, everything inside was in good shape. I'm gonna keep on using the same format that I have been doing in the last couple of videos. I'm just going to let you know from which box is the product that I'm going to use at that moment. So let's just jump to it. The first product that I'm going to use is this one. This is from Elemis. This is the clarifying clay wash. This retails for $49. It's supposed to cleanse pores and reduce the look of blemish. I like the packaging so far. The color, this lilac color, really appealing to me. And it smells really good. Take a little bit of a portion in my finger because I have already done my morning routine. I didn't check before doing that. This is what I got. I can't pinpoint, as always, which is the scent, but it is really nice and subtle. You won't be overwhelmed with the smell of it. It's supposed to be applied into your entire complexion with a damp face and then rinse it off. You can use it daily. Now that I have rubbed it into my entire complexion, I'm gonna look for a washcloth to just take it off of my skin. I'm gonna remove it with this little cloth that I got in another Boxycharm. Sorry for the background noise. When I start filming, any of my neighbors weren't doing any housework, but since I start filming, as you know how life is, that, well, now they just start. So far what I have been liking is that my skin doesn't feel strip off. Now for my Premium box, the next product that I'm going to use is the Korres Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream. This retails for $36 and it is a lightweight gel moisturizer that blurs pores, which, hell yeah. This is the actual packaging. Wow, that is nice. That is really nice. It weighs a lot. I have already taken the cap off and now it has a protection lid here. It smells herbal, but a nice herbal. And I'm gonna take a little bit from the lid. That is plenty. And now I'm going to disperse it in my entire complexion, especially in the area where I have the pores situation. It is correct in the description of saying it is a lightweight moisturizer because it feels really lightweight and my complexion has already absorbed it. It leaves a little bit of grip to it, which is going to be great when I apply foundation. From here, we're gonna jump to my Luxe box because there I have from Keys Soulcare Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with Niacinamide. This retails for $26 and it is an hydrating illumination and makeup priming serum. This one here, the packaging is different, by the way. It says that I can use it before makeup or I can just apply it and use it as it is. Nice packaging. It is, I'm not sure, it doesn't feel like glass. I think it is more like plastic one. I'm just gonna use one pump. I think it is plenty for my entire complexion, and I'm just going to disperse it with my fingers or blend it into my skin. Yes, it has a little bit of luminosity, which I don't mind. It looks nice. The next product that I'm going to use is from my Luxe box, UV Beauty BU Limited Collection. This includes 3 full sizes and 3 mini antibacterial blenders. This retails for $65. Is this little box here. The artwork of the packaging really nice, and this is the inside. A couple of sponges. After they are dumped, this is how big they came. And now I'm gonna do my complexion stuff. I'm gonna do this in a really fast mode way because we just want to see how this sponges perform. I have done my entire complexion. I'm not into sponges, as you already may know, and if not, I'm not into sponges. I'm a makeup artist and it's really difficult to keep everything sanitized if you use a sponge. But what I have been liking to do with a sponge is to set my under eye. So far, this sponges are really bouncy, especially the big one. The smaller one, I don't know why people like such a little things to do their under eye. I get the point because you can get into the little crevices of your eye, but it is difficult to manage it. I don't know why. I rather use either my finger or a brush. I didn't like the small one because of the size, but this one, it is really bouncy. Now I'm gonna just set my under eye with the sponge. Yeah, for this, really good, really nice. Everything in my under eye is well set. Yeah, I like that sponge a lot. Now I have two products that I can use for blush. One, I got it in my Lux box, and this is from Beauty Bakerie, the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. This retails for $38. And the other product is from my premium box, Dominique Cosmetics. It is the Silk Tone Cream. Oh, it is a cream blush. Well, I only said my under eye. I can use that. It is a cream blush and retails for $22. I can either use it in my cheeks or in my lips and also in the eyes. Let me just go first for the Dominique Cosmetics. It says it is warm peach, and I love peach tones. Yay. I'm rooting for this. I'm gonna use the same sponge, but I'm gonna use one of the side. And now, let me just go to my wonderful cheeks and try not to disrupt what I have already done. It's such a lovely shade, and also has kind of, maybe could be the illuminating primer, but I'm a little bit in a doubt with that. But it has a lot of luminosity, and it is really subtle. I'm gonna try to apply it with my finger just to see if I can enhance a little bit more the shade. And yeah, if I apply it with my finger, you can get a lot more opacity from the blush rather than using the sponge. Really like how everything is looking so far in my complexion. Yay for this. Now we're gonna go for the powder blushes that are from Beauty Bakerie. The palette comes in a box. This is the actual component. These are the shades. I'm gonna use this angle brush to apply them, and I think I'm gonna do a mix. 24-hour champagne diet, and this, which is Sip Sip Hooray. I'm gonna apply it a little bit in the back of it and just leave that peachy tone on the front part of my cheeks. And it gave me more like a highlighting thing. This is one of the shades. This is the 24-hour champagne diet, and this is the Hooray. This is the only shade that I think it is a blush shade, and this one, it is more like a topper thing. This effect that I got by combining those two shades and just applying it in the back of my cheeks. And what I have left over, I'm gonna brush it through the bridge of my nose and a little bit on top of my eyebrows. The next product that I'm gonna use is from my premium box, and it is Sandra Beauty. This is the Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. This retails for $28. What it is supposed to do as an eyeshadow primer is just to intensify and to ensure longevity in your eye look. Let's see how that performs, because I love my Milani one. It's really creamy to the touch, more creamier than what I'm used to. Now, the next product is going to be an eyeshadow palette that I got in my premium box, that it is from Lorac, and it is the Pro Palette Odyssey Edition Meraki. This retails for $45. Yeah. It weighs a lot. This is the component, and when you open the palette, you have the protection lid, and you have this other, I don't know, page that it gives you the names of each one of the eyeshadows. I have a mirror to one side, and the color story is this one here. Now we're gonna go to the fun part, eye makeup. And this one also, you are gonna see it really fast. done, and now you're gonna go for mascara, which is the next product that I did. It is from my Lux box. It is the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara. This retails for $29. I have lash extension, so I'm only going to apply it in my bottom lashes. This is the packaging of the mascara. Very Patrick Ta packaging. It's very liquidy, which is the norm for a new mascara, which I don't like when they're new. I like them when you have used them a couple of times, when they start to dry up. That's how a mascara it is at its best. But I'm going to try it. I really wish that I didn't have any lash extensions to actually give you a little bit more in detail. The next product that I'm going to use, I have a couple of lip products that I have available. The first one that I have, it is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is a Berry plus Juice 100% vegan lip gel. This retails for $19. This is the packaging of it. I really like this aesthetic. It is cruelty-free, vegan. This is the lip. I apply a little bit of lip balm, which I'm going to take away because my lips are so chapped. And this is the color. It smells really sweet and nice. It smells like the little girl's chapstick, which is cherry something. This is the color. The next one, it is from Nars, and it's an iconic lipstick. It retails for $26. This is the shade, as I said, a really vampy color. It isn't as dark as I thought that it could be. So this is the color. I love the color, but with some other eye look, it looks nice, but not what I was looking or expecting to use with this. When you first apply it, you get kind of the taste that it has some herbal thing in it, but besides that, it has already gone, and it has a nice closure to it. And last but not least, it came in my Lux box, and it is from Patrick Ta. This is the Major Glow Lip Shine. This retails for $22, and it is an universal flattering high shine lip gloss. This is the shade, and this is the color just by itself in my lips. I think it definitely has some plumping ingredient in it because of the smell and the taste of it, not because I have a tingly sensation in my lips. So sweet, this is it. This is the entire look. I really hope you like it, because I'm so into the smokiness that I got in my eyes. So let's just do a recap of everything that I got and a couple of products that I didn't got the chance to actually try them. Let's just start with the products that I didn't try, which didn't try from my Lux box. There are the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial that retails for $50. It's this one here. It is a prebiotic overnight sleeping mask, and I like Elemis as a brand. So far, they haven't let me down. I have high hopes for this. The other product that I didn't try, it is from Day. It is a cactus flower leave-in conditioner. It retails for $26, and it's a conditioner that provides heat protection. I really like the packaging. I never thought that this contrasting colors, they would look nice in a packaging. Now we're going to do a recap of all the products that I use. Firstly, we start with the clay mask from Elemis. I already said that I really enjoy that, especially the part that it didn't feel like it stripped my skin from its natural oils. From there, we jump to the moisturizer that was from Korres. I like that, and I think that would be a really good product for prepping your skin for applying makeup, because it was a really lightweight moisturizer, and it left a little bit of grip there. I used the primer, the illuminating primer from Kiss Soulcare. I wouldn't mind to just use that in the days that I'm not gonna wear makeup, which is the norm for me. From there, we jump for the sponges. I like the big one. I didn't like the small one just because of the size, not because of the performance. From there, we went for the blushes, the Dominique Cosmetics, which was the cream one, and I love that one, especially the shade of it. and how it looks in my complexion. And the other ones were the ones from Bakerie. It's not the fact that I didn't like them, but I think that they are more a blush topper. From there we went for the eyeshadow primer, which I like. So far so good, but as I said, I need to keep on using it in order to know if I really enjoy it or not. But it did increase, it helped with the performance of the eyeshadows. For the eyeshadows, it is the first time that I use Lorac. I was really curious about that brand because almost every, actually YouTuber, not makeup artist, enjoy a lot that brand. So far, it didn't let me down. The matte, really nice, really easy to blend. As in every matte shade, it has a little bit of kick up in the pan, so you have to make sure that when you start applying it, you have taken the excess of it, or press the pigment first in your eyelid and then start blending. From there, I use the Patrick Ta something mascara. Really like how black it is, but I have a lash extension, so I can vouch for how good or how bad it would be. What I can say it is that every time that I use a new mascara, I don't like them at first because they are too liquidy for my taste. I like them when they are a little bit more drier. The 3 lip products, I stayed with the first one that I tried, which was from Seraphine and Botanicals, the lip gel. Stayed with it because of the shade, not because I liked it better than the other ones, but this is really comfortable and it doesn't feel funny in the lips. I used the Nars one. I love the shade, but I think it wasn't a good match for the eye look that I did on myself today, but it felt really nice, really comfortable. What I did notice is that you have to make sure that you apply it evenly, because if not, you have a little bit of demarcations. The other one was the gloss from Patrick Ta. I really like this shade, but I wanted something that has a little bit of a more color. That's why I take that one off and I put this one. I really enjoy my boxes a lot for this month, and I hope you had the same result in yours. If you have any questions or anything at all, just leave it in the comment section below. I will address them. I hope you like it. Again, sweets, and if you did, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.